Hi everyone, it's Lynn from Lynn's Chalk Studio, and I'm going to show you what the Magnolia Design Co. Fall and Winter Catalog has in store for us. So I'm just going to go pretty much page by page. So of course we have our welcome and we have our table of contents, very helpful. These are the owners, Crystal and Lisa. A little bit about our mission statement: making your membership work for you, becoming a creator quick start program, crafty creator discounts, customer loyalty program, creator credit program, a compensation plan, all the information you need to know about Magnolia Design. Then we start in with the catalog, and the first section is faith and inspiration. So I'm sure that you can tell by these how awesome they are. This faith, hope, love, and family is, I love it. It's one of my absolute favorites. And then as we continue to go through, the daily bread on wood just looks excellent. Love this on a t-shirt. That's the new Waymaker stencil. And then as we just continue through, everything to get you inspired on a Monday morning, right? I know it's only Sunday night, but you know, Monday mornings, you need some inspiration. So here we go, just continuing with our faith and inspiration. And then getting into our just for fun. These are the stencils that are just absolutely fun to create on sweatshirts, t-shirts, signs, bags, hats, wherever you'd like to put them. So just fun things. I've got some secrets about Romeo and Juliet. So remember, Romeo and Juliet, I'm going to share some fun new stencils with you. You'll love them. We'll just continue through our just for fun, and then we get to our everyday life. So we know everyday life is something that happens every day, right? And so just continuing through, having fun. The porch sitters, you can see all of these. I'll move this a little bit for you. You can see all these different ways that you can make the O. You can actually have either make it home or make welcome. Watch for that one too. We've got something special coming up with that. And of course, we want to make sure that we get out and vote. And the dishes are looking dirty at me again. Oh my gosh, do your dishes look dirty at you? Mine do all the time. All the time. Some fun bathroom signs. I love this laundry sign. Beauty is my business. Coffee. Anybody need their coffee in the morning? I'm a tea person, but I still need my caffeine with my tea, so I get it. Just lots of fun stencils. And then we get into love and romance. Love grows best in little houses just like this. I love you to infinity and beyond. The marriage manifesto is just absolutely beautiful. And then of course our Mr. and Mrs. and different other wedding inspired stencils. And then we get into celebrating our heroes. So this is awesome. We celebrate our heroes year round. And personally, I'm thinking that within the heroes, our teacher stencils needed to be there too, because teachers right now are certainly heroes. Getting ready to get back to school or already back and doing what they can to keep kids safe and help them continue to learn. Then we get into family. And these are always just fun, cute stencils. Some are just absolutely beautiful. These are fall minis for back to school. I love minis. I'm mini obsessed. And then as we continue to get in to all the babies' firsts, I can't wait. I have babies coming, so I'm gonna get to make some cute onesies, but shh, don't tell my daughter. And then this Subway, family Subway, the Subway art is another one of my favorites. And then of course we get to more of the babies and grandparents looking forward. And here's our teacher Subway. Camping. And then we get into keeping it country. So as we look at keeping it country, I love you like biscuits and gravy, and Chin Up Buttercup, our rooster, some farm minis, and then we just continue through all kinds of different farmhouse and country themes. The Farmer's Market bundle is actually a bundle. It's got a couple different ones. I want you to keep an eye on this down here as well, the Country Road stencil, and the truck there. I've got a couple surprises with that coming up too. Life is better on the farm. Don't let them get your goat. And then we get into patterns and fonts. So all that lettering that you can do, all the different patterns that there are, just awesome. Lots of ways to use the patterns, even on a pillow. The skinny font, really fun, goes beyond the letters to actually words. We've got a wood grain, and then our larger plaid pattern. The mandala lace. These are frame it up, so you can frame different things that you have. Our Scrabble tiles. And then getting into our seasons. So here comes Halloween and fall, all kinds of fun things there. My personal favorite on this page has to be Cutest Pumpkin. And again, fun stencils to put on kids' t-shirts, onesies. And then we get into our porch sitter. Remember I talked about our porch sitter before. And now as you can see, there's some fall porch sitter, again, replacing that O. If you don't want the O, you can go with any of the fall porch sitter add-ons. And not only, again, welcome, but you can also do home. Here's some more fall words with that skinny font. And then our fall Subway as well. Moving on, our Halloween minis. Halloween minis, just not only the 3-inch rounds, but using them on banners, on cups. I just did a pencil holder for myself on one of my empty tea cans, and all 4 sides have a different inspirational mini on them. So we're going to continue with Halloween, start looking into some of the more fall. Notice the vintage truck. Remember I said to keep an eye on that one, because now, I'm going to hold that up for you, we have add-ons for the vintage truck. So just making some really cute different signs, pillows, sweatshirts, t-shirts, mugs, whatever you want. This one is one of my favorites. This is not a new one, but Autumn Leaves and Pumpkins Please, as well as Pumpkin Spice Latte. Dead and Breakfast is new. And then our Sugar Skull. Here's our gnomes. Remember I talked about the gnomes earlier, so again, those gnomes, these are fall add-ons for the gnomes. It gets better, I promise. There's more gnome madness coming along. And then we get into winter. Winter brings us something a little bit new here in that we have quads. We also have them in fall. I'll tell you a little secret about the quads as well. And we just keep moving on, and just a lot of fun, fun, fun. Here is our porch sitter for welcome. And again, replace that O any way that you want, making that one very, very versatile. Our hot cocoa bar, all things Christmas. Merry Christmas is hilarious, and it comes with all kinds of add-ons. One of my faves. Love that for Christmas. We've got some Hanukkah, and then a new one, Santa Stop Here. And again, remember our truck add-on? Here we go. More winter add-ons for the truck. A little bit more Christmas going on here. Some more patterns, our Christmas patterns. Always fun. And here we go. Here are those gnomes again. So go back to our original gnomes. We now have winter add-ons as well as fall add-ons. But honestly, I'm not done with the surprises with the gnomes. There's still gnome nonsense coming up, I promise. And the Christmas Subway, Christmas Minis. Always fun to use these on gift tags and even to make your own wrapping paper. So now we're going to move into chalks. This is where it gets really fun. Our chalks, and then we have ink pots. And we have about 25 different colors to choose from here, and about 20 different ink colors. Lots of new going on. Lime green, maroon, orange tiger, mustard seed, olive, all kinds of fun, as well as hot coral and candy apple. Ballet slipper is a new ink. I've been waiting for it forever, and I'm absolutely excited about that. And then we've got some navy blue going on, some turquoise, pumpkin pie, mango mojito. Just awesome, fun, fun, fun. Now we're getting into new surfaces. And this is where it really starts to get fun. To remember that gnome madness I talked about? Well, we've got some things going on. So we've got some non-magnetic boards here. We also have the farmhouse frame. And remember those quads I talked about? Well, now we have boards, especially for those fall and Christmas quads. And then one of the real fun new ones is the cutting board. So all kinds of different surfaces to choose from through the catalog. These are all MDF, and yes, we do have the gnomes in MDF. That's not the surprise. We're getting there. And we continue on with more of the surfaces. Fun, 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 new gnome shelf sitters. So these go with the original gnome stencil, the fall gnome add-ons, and then the Christmas gnome add-ons. And then we've also got our pumpkin trio for the fall season coming up. So really that just about wraps it up. We get into our accessories here. And one of my new favorites, I just got them yesterday, I haven't had a chance to use them, is this paintbrush squeegee. So it's a 5-pack, and each one of these has a different kind of paintbrush tip, but it's actually a squeegee. So for some of those stencils that have those little areas that you want just a little bit of color to get in there, this makes it super easy. Also for our inking pillows, t-shirts, we've got the large and the small ink mats that help keep that in place. And then last but not least, we do parties. I do parties with my customers, and there are all kinds of host benefits that are listed here. So if you're interested in having an online party, let me know. We can do a 1-hour epic Facebook party and just have a great party with your friends online and help you earn some host benefits and some credit. So with that comes the end of our catalog. You can find me at Lynn's Chalk Studio on Facebook and Instagram. You can also find me on Pinterest and at Sassy Direct. Hope you enjoyed checking out the new Magnolia Design Call Fall and Winter catalog. Have a great night. Bye.